Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel MathX World. Students, today we will learn how to find cube root of any number. We have to find cube root of 216. So, what will we do? First we find prime factors of 216. 216. Now let's start finding its prime factors. Even number we start with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. We put a 0 in between. Again with 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8. Again with 2, 2 twos are 4 and 14, 2 sevens are 14. Now with 3, 3 nines are 27. Again with 3, 3 threes are 9. Again with 3, 3 ones are 3. So, cube root of 216 is equal to prime factors of 216. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Also we have to take cube root of prime factors is equal to. Now we have to make pairs of 3. 2 3 times है तो we can write is 2 power 3 multiply by 3 जो है वो भी 3 times है तो we can write is 3 power 3. Got it? Cube root. Now this cube root and this power cut down, we are left with 3 into 2. So 3 twos are 6. So students, cube root of 216 is equal to 6. Got it? Hopefully students you get the point. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.